The state pattern lets an object change its behavior when its internal state changes. Picture a music player with 3 states: stopped, playing, paused. The same buttons act differently in each. Look at this music player. The current mode lives in a single string field. Every button, pressPlay, pressPause, pressStop, starts with the same chain of if/else checks against that field. Here's the problem. Identical conditions are copied into every method, leaving the code repetitive and fragile. Add one new mode, buffering, and every button grows another branch. The transition logic is scattered across all the methods, so the rules for moving between modes are impossible to read at a glance and dangerously easy to break. The solution: define a PlayerState interface with pressPlay, pressPause, and pressStop. MusicPlayer holds a single state object, and each button simply forwards the call to it. No tangled conditionals. Each concrete state, StoppedState, PlayingState, and PausedState, implements PlayerState, and every method holds only the behavior for that one mode. When needed, a state hands control onward with player.setState and a fresh state object. Here's the structure. MusicPlayer acts as the context, holding a single reference to a PlayerState. PlayerState is the interface, implemented by StoppedState, PlayingState, and PausedState. MusicPlayer delegates every command to the current state, while setState lets one state choose the next. Look at the two versions side by side. The old pressPlay was one long switch checking a mode string, tangled with dangerous branches. The new version is a single line, state.pressPlay this. When the field swaps from StoppedState to PlayingState, the behavior changes automatically. The active state object decides the action with 0 conditionals. That's the power of the state pattern, clean and easy to extend. Give each state its own class, and let the context delegate to the active one. The result: no repeated conditionals, self-contained states, clear transitions. Remember, context, state, concrete state.